Alright guys, I was a part of, we were supposed to get the scientists, so we're going to take off the left part of the field and the others whatever they want because they're not communicating to me. Other comms, how are you going to approach the city? Over.
Alpha team has moved out. Bravo team, fall in, let's go.
Bravo, we are moving in.
Stay on the right.
Alright.
Alright. Hey, do you want to film?
I'll film you.
Alright. This is Richard. We are now moving into the city. Over.
Whoever's reloading, you blank.
Stay up.
Watch out for the sheep, brother.
Somebody drop their swords. Check your swords, guys. Alright. Okay, Team Bravo. When we deploy inside, stay on the left and continue forward. Don't go into this first area.
What this guy said. Yeah.
Hey, Richard.
How are you all doing? I'm sorry. Hey, Fit! Sir! Move! 10 seconds! Roll! Go! Bravo! Move to the left!
I thought zombies can't move backwards.
Yeah, they can't.
Oh, the moonwalk. Hey, zombies can't move backwards.
Hey! We gotta get through. You can put them down.
Bravo! Go! Hurry up!
Hey, Peter. I'll walk down.
Clear all the buildings, yeah?
I'm with you. Start clearing buildings. Where are you going? Building clear?
Building's clear.
Cover me. Zombie! Building clear!
Building is, yep.
Zombie right there!
They can't run it, Chief. I'm really worried.
Zombie right here, coming up.
10 feet distance. Okay, put them down.
No one
Keep moving. Keep going. Keep moving. Is that run clear?
Watch out for that zombie right there.
Are you guys okay up to District 9? Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Over.
Don't get cornered.
Okay. Keep your perimeters checked.
Watch your six.
Yeah, Garrett?
Yeah.
Zombie right there. Right. We gotta get out of this area. Guys, come move up. Move up.
Behind you.
Wait for 10 feet and then put him down. Put him down now.
On the left, Scott.
Which way are we going? Not.
Watch him.
Team B with the interception front. The zombies are down.
There's one down here.
Protect them.
Hand control. Is that the right scientist?
Scientists are in white.
Hey, Jay's a zombie.
Jay. Oh, damn.
He's a zombie?
My God.
Alright, let's go! He's still left to find the scientist! I thought we got it. We have it. We have it. We have him. You zombie?
No, I'm the camera guy.
Well, you're not making any noise whatsoever. Who's got the scientist? Hey!
Yo, what's up?
The dead body you found is not the scientist.
All right.
The scientist is a live person.
All right. Withdraw the scientist. That is not the real scientist. Over.
Says it's a living person.
All right. Keep it going. All right. Keep it going.
3. Zombies don't talk.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, I got a laser on him. Okay, yeah, zombie on left, zombie on right.
Guys, these 2. 3 technically on the left.
Hey, what's the flashing?
If you get the scientist for B, over.
Keep your eyes on, guys.
Oh, Puddle, Richard.
All right, where is your location, over?
Are you in there?
Repeat, over. All right, guys, they took the scientist over at the kill house apparently.
So we should pull back?
Let's have some people defend this area as long as we can. We'll move back. Zombie over here. Watch this area for zombie.
Watch out for that one right there. Careful. Group up, circle up!
Yo! What's up, bro? How you doing?
Hey, did you guys find the scientist?
They
found one.
They
They did?
Yeah, they found the scientist already.
Are they escorting him back?
Come on, you guys move. Alright.
No, he's zombie.
Team B, do we have the scientist? Over.
God, he's zombie. Zombie! Look, zombie.
Zombie inside the room. Alright, he's down, he's down.
Keep moving.
Bravo, do we have the scientist? Over.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Oh, we do?
Get back up. Get back. Somebody got a melee. Double tap him.
Do it. Hey, he's still down, he's still down. Can't hit him on the back. Can't hit him on the back. What? Get him on the front. There you go. Do we have the scientist?
Hey, Julie, in here.
We got a zombie to our right, bro. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Oh my god. It's like a puddle.
Yeah. A lot of puddles.
We got zombies. We got 2 here.